Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered video editing with a comprehensive review of TopView AI. If you're a content creator, marketer, or someone looking to enhance your video production process, this video is for you. Let's explore how TopView AI can revolutionize the way you create videos. First off, what is TopView AI? TopView AI is an online AI video creation software designed to transform your links or media assets into viral videos with just one click. It's powered by GPT-4o, an advanced AI model fine-tuned using top-performing TikTok and YouTube videos. This means it doesn't just edit your videos, it understands current trends and adapts your content. AI offers several AI creation tools. Here are my favorites. First, the avatar marketing video helps users create professional marketing ads from links or uploaded materials. With AI, including GPT-4, it simplifies video production for e-commerce and social media marketing, making high-quality ads accessible to everyone. The second tool is the Video Avatar tool allows users to generate lifelike avatars from videos or clone their own. It's ideal for content creators and educators who want a digital representation to engage audiences in webinars, tutorials, or online courses. Another great tool is the Product Avatar, which has recently been added. This tool creates avatars promoting products using just one image. Perfect for brands, it eliminates the need for costly photo shoots, generating relatable, appealing content for social media and marketing campaigns. The third tool is the Photo Avatar, which brings static images to life by animating them to speak. It's great for storytelling, marketing, or education, turning photos into engaging, attention-grabbing visuals. The last tool I want to highlight is the Long Video to Shorts tool, turns lengthy videos into impactful short clips, optimized for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, making content repurposing quick and easy. These are only some of the many tools TopView AI offers. I will now show you how their latest product avatar tool works. First, visit your TopView dashboard. If you don't have an account already, you can use the link in the description to register. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Product Avatar. Then choose an avatar gesture that matches your product size and click on Replace with my product image. Then upload your product image and wait for the background to be automatically removed. Now choose the image of your avatar that you like and click on Image to Video Avatar. Now wait a few minutes for the animation process to be completed and then click on Save to My Avatar if you're happy with the result. Once it's saved, you can select the avatar, write any text, and make the avatar say it. After entering the text, click on Generate and Export. After it's generated, you will be able to view and download the video from the Projects tab. Here's the video I created.
Hey guys, I recently bought this new wallet and I absolutely love it.
If you're interested in utilizing TopView AI in a similar way, you can explore their pricing options, which are, in my opinion, quite cheap, considering how much you can save and get out of the software. TopView offers several pricing options. The free plan at TopView AI is perfect for beginners or casual users, offering 10 credits per month, which equals to 2 videos, access to 100+ avatars and AI voices, 1 custom avatar, and basic tools like photo talking for up to 30 seconds. It includes 5 GB of storage, but adds watermarks to videos and lacks premium features. The starter plan, at $9.90 per month annually, is a great upgrade for creators. It includes 600 credits annually, which equals to 120 videos, unlimited video previews, 500+ avatars, unlimited custom avatars, 1 free voice clone, and 50 GB of storage. It removes watermarks and supports longer videos up to 180 seconds, making it ideal for small businesses. The business plan, priced at $44.9 per month annually, suits professional teams. It offers 3,000 credits, which equals to 600 videos, 10 free voice clones, extended video durations up to 1,800 seconds, 300 GB of storage, and advanced features like project resizing and API integration, perfect for larger scale projects. The enterprise plan is fully customizable with tailored features like team seats, credits, avatars, and AI voices. When comparing the plans, the free tier is ideal for basic exploration, while the starter plan strikes a balance between affordability and features, making it suitable for individual creators. The business plan is a powerhouse for teams needing high-volume production, while the enterprise plan offers unparalleled customization for businesses with complex requirements. In conclusion, TopView AI stands out as a powerful tool for those looking to streamline their video creation process using AI technology. Its ability to quickly generate engaging, high-quality videos makes it a valuable asset for content creators and marketers alike. With its affordable pricing and user-friendly interface, TopView AI is certainly worth exploring, especially if you're aiming to produce compelling video content efficiently. Thank you for watching my review of TopView AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. The link to TopView AI is in the description.